well you can hear me. I was gonna film getting the Bronco back on the road, you know, grabbing it from the farm, driving it home, but they're having Memorial Day, you know, camping at the farm and stuff like that. Kind of awkward. Been over a year since I made a video, but we are on the road. I basically just threw the battery from my Subaru in it, cranked it over for a little bit, fired right up. Still didn't put any gas in it, still that 10-year-old gas. I did end up adding, you know, about 4 gallons for the drive home. I've got Kate following behind me in the car. Surprisingly, I actually even have brakes. I was about a quart low on transmission fluid, and that took care of the shifting problem it was having, I hope. So yeah, I am driving home now. The tires still had air in them. They were a little low. I aired them up. And yeah, I'll update you if something happens, but we are on the road in the Bronco. I know this is something you guys have all been bugging me about finishing for a while now. This thing smells like it's on fire, burning most nests out of the exhaust. Yeah, we're going. We got 10 miles to go. We'll see if I make it. We are out on the big road. 55-ish. It's not getting hot. Got oil pressure. Feels pretty stable. Steering wheel's crooked, but you can see bouncing a little bit, but it's going good. There it is. Made it home. More videos to come on it. Basically this was just getting it home. Made it no problems, surprisingly. The burning smell I was talking about earlier was probably mostly from me leaking transmission fluid, dripping it all over because I didn't bring a funnel. But yeah, it's here. Alright, so the problem with the hatch, when I hit the corner, she bent in a little bit. That still moves. That's a bonus. This can get tight sometimes. These usually, because it's all fiberglass, crack out. Oh yeah, we're in business. Huh, the shocks even seem like they work yet. And pretty low on bees. Got some tools back here. This ain't wanting to stay up. It's coming down on me. But got another seat cover. Big right angle drill. There's the rearview mirror. It's missing the actual mount though. That looks like some jacket or something. That's a fence post puller. An old junk battery. I'm sure you guys seen all this once already because you may have watched the other videos. It's like I said, it's been over a year for me. And then the time before that I parked it was probably 7 or 8 years before that, so it's almost been a decade. But she's home now. She's running. And she's gonna get going again. Yeah, that side's all nice and square. It's this side. I need to pull out on this corner here. No leaks since I've been home. Better look at that rust. It's the spring I straightened out. Had new hardware put in it. Frame itself though, no big flaky rust. just the body starting to, that's all sheet metal work. That's actually got moss growing in it. Yeah. Some old pictures. Yeah. Take care of some of the mouse nests and clean this up some. Pressure wash the outside of it. I'll get a good video of that. That'll be a good one. And yeah, for all those that have been waiting, you know, bugging me over the last year, when are you gonna get it finished? When are you gonna work on it? Time is now. We're getting her done. This is gonna become my daily driver. Selling the Crown Vic, all that money is gonna be stuck into this. The Subaru over there. Just registered that. I'm gonna drive that until this is ready, and then sell that and stick the money into this too. I don't see that many more expenses in the near future that are gonna be big ones, so that's what most of the money's gonna go to. And I'll keep posting videos as much as I can, try documenting everything for you guys that have these Bronco 2s and little Rangers and stuff. Kind of do some how-to videos on fixing the stuff. I know it's pretty dark in here, but yeah. And I have a new friend that I think I might bring into some of the videos with me. I'm gonna have to see how she likes it. It's kind of awkward filming around other people, but we'll see. Alright, till next time. See you guys later.